So the Nigerian rap system has been quiet for some time, unlike the other, unlike Afrobeat, it has the rap aspect has been quiet for some time. And what is the best way to revive it is through a beef. So Blaqbonez started throwing subtle shades on X, formerly Twitter, throwing subtle shades, and Odomudublvck decided to collect one of the stray bullets. So on one of his songs with AQ, which he titled "Who Is Really Rapping," he's saying that rapping is actually difficult for some rappers. Some rappers are finding it difficult to, stay solid in the game and all that. And Odomudublvck is not taking that. Oh, I mean, big color for a reason. He said, no, this is not how it is. So rap is not difficult for me. If rap is difficult for me, so why are you begging me for collaborations? Why is it that one of the songs that you collaborated with me is making waves? And Blaqbonez now said, no, this is not how it is. So Odomudublvck now said, you are everything, you are, I am everything you aspire to be. You cannot do more than me. Your spirit is weak. Just throwing words. They're just doing word fights. So Blaqbonez now suggested that this is not a social media fight. They should take it to the studio. I mean, look at Kendrick Lamar and Drake. So they should take it like that to up their beef. Odomudublvck said no, they cannot use him like that. He's not going to the studio. If they are going to fight, they should go to the streets and fight like men. What do you think about this? Do you think this is more than just the rap battle, or it's just them trying to promote their songs? I mean, we know how this celebrities can be. They can use any method